What's up guys, this is AppleTech752 and in this video I'm going to show you how to completely remove EFI firmware lock from your MacBook. You need three things for this tutorial. The first thing is of course your locked MacBook. The second thing is a perfectly working MacBook that's going to host the software to do the unlock. And the third thing is a USB-C to USB-C cable, and you can just use your power adapter and just pull out the cable, and this cable right here will be just fine. This process is super simple and I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is connect the two MacBooks together using our USB-C to USB-C cable. On the unlocked MacBook, you want to connect the cable to the top USB port right here. And on the locked MacBook, you want to connect the cable to the bottom USB port right here. After you connect it, you should hear it sort of snap. And then you may get a pop-up on your other MacBook that looks something like this. It says cannot use Thunderbolt accessory, and the other Mac says it's charging. That is absolutely perfect. We are ready to move on to the next step. Now we're going to install the software. Let's begin by opening up a web browser and going to checkmate.info. Now scroll down on this website until you find the EFI Unlock software page. Click on Learn More, and then scroll down until you find two download options. Now this is where you have to choose which unlock works best for you. This first option will erase all the data on the MacBook and allow you to set it up like a brand new machine. This second one over here will save all your data and allow you to boot right back into macOS with any user accounts that were there before still on the device. I'm going to choose this one for the video. So we're going to click the download button and it's downloading it right up here. Let's wait for it to finish, and then we can go ahead and minimize Safari and find this download. Click OK and go into System Preferences, click on Security and Privacy, and then click Open Anyways and Open. Now we can go ahead and quit System Preferences, and inside of here click Continue and Install. Now enter your computer password, and it's going to go ahead and install the software. We can now click on Close, move to Trash, and then go into our Launchpad, scroll over, and find the software right here. Just tap it once to open it up, and you should get a screen that looks just like this. Perfect. Now the MacBooks are connected to each other, but as you can see, the software still isn't recognizing that the MacBooks are connected. And that's because we have to put this one into DFU mode. So I'm going to switch over to this MacBook and show you exactly how to enter DFU mode. Entering DFU mode is a very simple process, and I'm going to show you how it's done. You need to hold the Control and Option key on the left at the same time as you hold the Power and the Shift key on the right. Once again, that's the Control and the Option keys on the left and the Power and the Shift key on the right. As you can see right now on the screen, the software on our unlocked MacBook currently still says connect our locked device in DFU mode. And that's because we are still at the EFI screen. We are not yet in DFU mode. So to begin, we're just going to go into DFU mode, and as soon as the software starts spinning, we're going to let go. So I'm going to hold the Control, Option, Power, and Shift all together. Here we go. And just like this, the device turned off, and as you can see, the software is now spinning. It says it's detected, and in just a moment here you'll probably get a prompt to order the EFI unlock saying that the device is fully compatible. As you can see, in our case it says start, but you will likely get a prompt that says order EFI unlock. Go ahead and click on that and make sure to use the code AppleTech752. Once again, do not forget to use code AppleTech752. It will give you a massive discount and you will be much happier purchasing the service. Alright, once you've made payment, all you have to do to remove the EFI passcode is go back over to your Launchpad, open up the software. It should give you a button that says Start, as you can see right here. So all we're going to do is click on Start, and that's going to remove the passcode super quickly for you guys. Just click on Start and watch it while it's preparing the device, and just like that, as you can see, the EFI is already removed and we are all set. Just to show you guys that it's removed, I'm going to go ahead and boot this MacBook on right now as instructed by that pop-up, just by holding the power button for 1 second. And as you can see, the Apple logo is showing on the screen right now. And in just a moment here, we're going to boot right back into normal macOS without any kind of EFI lock. There's that little progress bar down at the bottom. It's currently advancing. And as you can see, the progress bar actually got stuck here. It's stuck about 2/3 of the way, and it's not going to fully advance. So what we have to do in this case is do a hard reboot. All you have to do to hard reboot the Mac is hold the power button down for 5 seconds. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the screen turned black, and now we're going to press it again for 1 second. Just a light press, and now we're going to see the Apple logo again, and this time the Mac will boot right up into the operating system. Perfect. We now have the Apple logo, and in just a moment here, we should see a progress bar indicating that we're booting right back into macOS. There it is. And this time, it's not going to get stuck halfway. It's going to go all the way and boot right back into the operating system. There we are. We can now enter our computer password. And here we are inside of macOS. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for all the best iCloud bypass content right here on Apple Tech 752 YouTube. You can also make a post on reddit.com/r/setupapp if you get stuck or need help with anything. And you can also follow me on Instagram at AppleTech752. Have fun completely removing EFI from your locked MacBooks. Stay tuned for more, and as always, peace out.